What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. This video is going to be a little different. It's going to be more of a vlog style. We're headed down to Bradenton, Florida to go to the Freedom 500 hosted by Cletus McFarland. And we're just going to take y'all along for the trip. We're going to stop at a couple gas stations on the way. Bucky's. If you've ever heard of that place, you know about it. But yeah, we're going to go down there. You're going to see the Freedom 500 from my perspective. Maybe meet up with some of the folks that are driving, like Travis Ostrana, Murder Nova, and a couple of those guys. And yeah, just follow along. We're going to hop on the road. Wouldn't be a trip to Florida without visiting Bucky's. So we got to hop in here and get us something to eat. It's his first time ever going to a Bucky's. Probably like our third or fourth time because we always stop here when we go to Florida.
Dude, that's huge.
And it's massive. I mean, if you didn't know how many, they got like 100 gas pumps at this joint.
It's like 2 Walmarts.
It's not quite 2 Walmarts, but it is very big.
I'm from a small town. It's 2 small town Walmarts.
Well, you gotta get the brisket sandwich when you go in here. But we're gonna hop inside and pick up the food. So many gas pumps. Well, we've secured the bag from Bucky's. Gotta get some gas, get back on the road. Well, you know, if you see those, you made it to Florida. We're here in Florida. We're actually gonna run over to Bradenton Motorsports Park tonight. They got a testing tune. We'll go check that out. So we'll hop over there real quick. Well, as you can see, we made it to Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're gonna go watch some testing tune. My boy Crispy's out there somewhere from Project Prime. I gotta go find him.
You smell that?
They do smell good. That's the Freedom Factory way over there. Lights are off, but they'll be banging tomorrow for the Freedom 500, which is what we're here for. Yes, that is a gigantic turbo on the hood of that car.
Oh, that's right.
That thing's crazy, man. I think he likes a little car with this turbo, I think. But he's singing there, don't he?
Krusty Krab pizza is a pizza for, come on, you and me.
Chris ain't got his bumper no more. What happened to it? What's the C8? There's all kinds of cars in there. Oh, another C8. Does the wheel like add power? Like 25 a wheel or something?
Yeah, 25 a wheel.
I'm putting my money on the truck.
Me too. Oh, the LED, that's extra 10 for a wheel.
Yeah, definitely going with the truck. This boat's about to get gapped. Truck's spooling up. It'll spool up next week. Truck game. Truck got him with a lap. Oh man, that's a couple boat gap right there. That's bad.
10 knots.
I think it'll be faster than that. I say 975. There we go. Then just a no-time car. I'll say this thing might run about 7, 8, somewhere around there. My guess. It's faster than 8. It's got it may not be. It's got at least 8, less than 8. Yeah, he got problems. That thing's freaking moving. Oh, that's the end of Bradenton Motorsports Park. Catch y'all tomorrow when we get back over here to the Freedom Factory for the Freedom 500. Well, we're at the Freedom Factory. There's where we were last night. Just to show you how close it is. It's literally this road right here. And way back there is the Freedom Factory.
What do you think?
It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a sweet event. There's already a ton of people in the stand, so that's good. It means we won't have to sit in the car that long. Hopefully get in here, get sit down, and get a good spot to sit. Watch some Crown Vics go the roundy round with nitrous. It's the glorious Freedom Factory. Gotta have the flags hanging. This thing is sick. Mullet, twin turbo LS. It's freaking sick. What do you think?
That's gnarly, man. That race car right there. Shoot.
Well, what'd you get to eat?
Taco,
Chimichanga?
mac and cheese, chimichanga.
All right, at the Freedom Factory, these guys got pizza and taco chimichanga. I don't know if you can see that thing, but
They're gonna be good.
there's Instagram and Facebook. I guess you could say I got two fans out here. My wife. Crew and my nephew. Crew. Oh, my bad. They're crew shirts. Yep. There's the chimichangas, pizza, taco, and pizza. These things are gonna be freaking delicious. What'd you say?
Nothing.
What? Say it again. What'd you say?
Nothing.
Delicious.
Delicious. Okay.
Give it up for the Mystery Machine!
Watch the amount of smoke this thing creates. It's ridiculous, man. Oh. He got us all, man.
4:30. We were like, yeah, maybe we should open the gates, you know, around 4. It's like 2 o'clock and there's a line out to the road. You guys are amazing. So, dude.
And we kick things off. So you're just tuning in, which you
These are qualifying passes.
come on.
Blake Wilkie, Nova, I think that's 10 or 4 out of bounds, and Tyler Prowse in the back.
Here we go, baby.
Actually, we're gonna say drivers, start your engines. 1, 2, 3, drivers!
I messed it up. Oh,
We're already working on our little Summit Racing equipment delivery. Inside line, Alex Bowman, Tanner Faust, whistling.
You can see our starter. Green means go. Let's send her. Freedom Factory. Racing equipment. Freedom 500 is going down.
It doesn't look like any of the tires are down about 357 mark.
How funny would that be if Blake got out of his car and just used that porta potty right now?
Solid move.
You think he's got a pee?
Yep. I think he's got explosive diarrhea, maybe.
Oh, he's nervous. I mean, it's a pretty aggressive field out there. Don't you?
Randy Prost in first, Haley Deegan in second, Annabelle C in third, Randy Kevin in fourth, and a bunch of lap down cars.
When I say JH, you say JH, who? JH, who?
win from KSR. Let's hear it. Man, Kevin's been chasing this for a few rounds, man.
Well, that's the end of this video. A little different, you know, a little vlog action down to the Freedom 500. Y'all saw that KSR won. Family had a good time, right?
Heck yeah, that's the best day ever.
Yes.
Good time. Even
Yeah.
wife had a good time.
Even the little one.
She always has a good time. But yeah, thanks for watching. Y'all been watching for a while. You know the message.
Freaking see you later.
No, this ain't no do it for Dale. We'll freaking see you later. So if you ain't on the break, you better be on Skinny Pal, son. We out of here.